Hi, I'm Gina. I'm an ICT Senior End User Consultant for Cardiff Council. Since we had the web version of Halo, the interface was totally different to what we were used to, but it was more smoother, had more features. And when we rolled it out to the other areas that are not very IT literate, we've got our facilities management, our business admin, information governance, so we're all using it. It was very easy for us to actually demonstrate to them as well how to use it. It's good having it across the whole organisation, everybody on the same platform using the same piece of software, because it just gives the generic sense that everybody's on the same hymn sheet. If these people had used their own versions, we have to support that in some way, and it's not an application we would be familiar with, whereas right now, because it's across 8 different departments at the moment, it's easy for us to give that support. It came for us at the perfect time because we'd implemented it, we'd all got used to it. The first 3 weeks of the pandemic, we normally deal, in my team alone, anywhere about 80 to 120 tickets just in one particular team. We were getting 500 and it was a very, very busy time, but the system just kept going and going. It didn't matter how much data we put in there. It just kept going, it kept functioning, it didn't crash. It was just one package that just did it all for us. So it was a very, very useful tool, I've got to be honest. Made my life a lot easier too. We always wanted to do something more. And there's features we think, well, if only that application could do that. So we approach Liv, who's very helpful, very friendly. We give her the ideas that we want. And I've got to be honest, 90% out of 100, they've come through. We have a very complex setup being a local government. There's certain security risks that we have to take into consideration. And so for us, we can't just do things. So we've approached Halo with these difficulties that we have, and with Liv's help and the developers, we tend to get these features implemented. The Halo services, I've got to be honest, it's 5-star. We've had various different applications and the support has not been as smooth or as quick. I know that we can log a ticket with support, or we can speak to Liv, our account manager, or anybody else that we've had contact with over time, and we know that they will get back to us very quickly. If it's not a resolution that's quick, they will give us an ETA, but that contact with the consultancy, with the developers, the service, the implementations, the upgrades. Upgrades have to be done out of hours for us because obviously it's a service everybody uses. But there's always somebody within Halo who's prepared to stay on to help us do it just in case something goes wrong. I think my favourite part of the project is it works. It does exactly what we need. It's something new to us, we're still working on it, and we've put our ideas of what else we'd like it to do. But it's growing, and the fact that we've just implemented the new schools instance, that has given us some really good ideas, because there's so many new features in that latest update that we want to bring over to our corporate. The self-service portal, the fact that the customers can help themselves without human intervention, it's there for them, and it's easy, they're easy buttons to press, it's very customer focused, which makes our life a lot easier too.